Hello my friends, because art is an understanding of the character, and more of a visual learning process than verbal instructions, I will try something different in this video. As a result, my lady friend who has a more pleasant voice than myself, will give you a little background of Princess Jasmine from the Disney movie Aladdin as I create Jasmine for you. By presenting it in this fashion, you can have a sense of feeling for Jasmine as you draw her.
Let's allow our minds to journey back in time and location to the Arabian desert kingdom called Agrabah. Keep in mind, the speed of the video is set to the length of the music. Adjust the playback speed or pause the video as you see fit to draw.
I start with the face or head to set reference points. Above the peak of her hairline, make an oval. Always do a fast practice above the paper before you actually draw it.
Jasmine, being the daughter of a sultan, led an isolated life. Her mother died when she was a child, and her only companions were her father and pet tiger, Raja. Being a princess, she is restricted from leaving the palace, and although she lives a luxurious life, she has a strong desire to be free from the suffocating confines of the palace walls.
After drawing the objects around her face, I draw in all the facial features. Note the eyes are made large to bring out the beauty of her character.
Jasmine is a very independent woman, and at times very stubborn. It doesn't matter who she is fighting with, she is never afraid to speak what is on her mind.
With the head complete, I now move to the body region. I always try to have a point to build the drawing off of, so everything connects in the proper proportion and area. Keep in mind, what you see here is a final creation. I do make mistakes along the way which are corrected during the creation. Those portions are not seen in the video, so do not think I have reached a point of perfection. This video is to solely provide guidance to learn how to draw, and enjoy it along the way.
Although Jasmine has a stubborn personality, she is incredibly compassionate. She always wants to help and do the right thing for her kingdom and subjects, but just not at the expense of her own freedom. She longs to be free and see the world.
If you find you enjoyed this video, please look at my other Disney characters. Keep in mind this is the first video I am having my friend give character information, but we'll move forward with this format.
Be sure to watch other videos to hear other character narrations and learn more about your favorite cartoon character.
Thank you for watching. We hope to see you again.